There are many benefits to a restored ecosystem, from climate adaptation and recreation to food security and disaster resiliency. We are strong supporters of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration and its stated goal to prevent, halt, and reverse the degradation of ecosystems worldwide. All of us at Stantec are committed to ecosystem restoration. We want to partner with you to improve the condition of our planet for generations to come.
Hi, I'm here today in southern Wisconsin in an oak ecosystem habitat that's undergoing restoration. As habitats like this have declined, so have pollinators like bees and butterflies. I'm excited for the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration because it highlights the importance of pollinators in supporting healthy, resilient habitats, our economy, and our food supply.
After Hurricane Maria, I helped Puerto Rico develop river restoration projects, not just to repair damage, but to protect their infrastructure investment. But natural disasters don't just cause physical damage. They disrupt lives and livelihoods. In 2021 and beyond, I'll continue helping communities seek nature-based solutions.
I'm standing on the shore of the James River in America's historic triangle, and I'm excited about the decade of restoration because I want to bring the Chesapeake Bay back to where it was pre-colonization. As one of the world's largest estuaries, it holds the keys to a sustainable future. By using nature-based solutions, we can improve water quality, habitat, and resiliency for this decade and decades to come.
Whether working on small-scale restoration here in the Sierra Nevadas or the largest dams removal project in the history of the U.S., I look forward to bringing technologies, tailored technologies, to foster success.
I've dedicated my life to studying the world's oceans, so I'm excited about the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration and its focus on coastal and marine ecosystems that are so vital to our food security, economy, climate resiliency, and biodiversity. Together, we can turn the tide towards a healthier ocean, a healthier planet, and a healthier people.
We achieve so much more when we collaborate together. Our scientists and engineers work globally to collaborate with nature, developing nature-based solutions, protect our communities, restore our ecosystems, and preserve our biodiversity for the future.
As I stand here at one of our restoration sites along the Lake Michigan shoreline, I'm reminded that designing projects with community in mind is the only way to build and sustain project momentum. That's why for 2021, my goal is to engage the community in the restoration process to teach our friends, family, and neighbors that now is the time to restore biodiversity for the benefit of all living things.
In the coming years, I'm going to do my part to design infrastructure and restorations that carefully consider the changing dynamics of our planet and the impact that my work will have on our environment. My goal is to provide solutions that are serviceable and sustainable for decades to come.
Each one of us must do our part in stopping the degradation of biodiversity and habitats. That's why in 2021, I'm continuing to design and execute strategies targeted at restoring our ecosystems and supporting our clients in quantifying the multiple benefits that they generate through their targeted restoration investments. Together, we can do this.
I'm excited by the UN Decade of Restoration because of the impetus it'll give our work with Australia's mining industry as we work in our native ecosystems. My goal for 2021 is to harness developing technologies like remote sensing to become practical restoration monitoring tools.
We have to plan for an uncertain future, with higher seas, stronger waves, and possibly more frequent storms. Knowing our vulnerabilities, mitigating where we can, and designing for adaptability is necessary so that future generations have a foundation and a framework to keep our communities sustainable. Right, Oliver?
The UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration will greatly help bring focus to our impaired ecosystems around the world and creates an enormous opportunity to make a positive impact. At Stantec, we have multidisciplinary teams throughout the world ready to take on ecosystem restoration challenges and deliver creative solutions that help restore and protect the environment. Connect with us. Let's make this our best decade yet and leave a lasting positive impact on the environment for generations to come.